Hey everybody, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today it's Friday, and today is another Fall Food Friday. And if you don't know what that means, it is a huge open collab hosted by Falon at Moss Family TV. And I know you've probably heard of her channel and you've seen it and you love their family, but if you have never been to her channel, go check it out, and I hope you'll subscribe. She has a great channel and everybody loves her, and I love watching her videos too. So go check her out. I'll have her channel linked in the description box. So today I am going to bring you a quick and easy one, and it's called caramel apple crack. Yeah, caramel apple crack. And I've never had it before, but it looks so easy and it looks delicious. So I've got everything to make it. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I'm going to make, or tell you the ingredients. And all it calls for is 1 apple, some brown sugar, a crescent roll, I think cinnamon sugar, and caramel. So that's all you need. And it looks really quick and easy. So I'm going to turn you around and let's get started on the recipe. Okay, I'm going to lay down my crescent roll dough, and if you use the sheets, you don't have to do this, but I don't have any of those. But lay it on a sheet of parchment paper, and the parchment paper has been sprayed, and now I can't move it around. Okay, it'll just stay there. So just pinch up the edges. And for sure, the next time I go to the store, I'm going to buy some of the sheets. That way I don't have to do this. Because if this is good, I know I'll be making this a lot, because this seems so easy. And I bet it would work with peaches. You could just make it any kind of way you want. Okay, the dough is done. Now it said to prick the dough with a fork. Does anybody know why you do this? Oh, and on this crescent dough, remember the biscuits that I opened up? I had a lot of comments, and people were saying like that biscuits are an adult Jack in the Box, and I'm like, that is so true. You don't know when it's going to open, and you're just as scared as you are when you're a kid and that Jack in the Box comes out. Okay, we pricked it with a fork, and now I'm going to add the brown sugar. I'm going to try and get it as evenly as I can. I'm not going to use this because I know I'll dump it all out. So make sure that you cover the whole sheet with the brown sugar. And I saw, while I was looking for some recipes, I saw somebody make some caramel apple cinnamon rolls like this, and I'm going to try that next. Where you just sprinkle this and put your apple pie filling in the middle and roll that up and put them into muffin tins. I think that would be great for Christmas morning. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my apple that I chopped up. Just going to kind of get it as even as I can. This just seems so easy. And I'm all about easy because I don't have time to mess with a recipe that takes an hour to assemble. I want instant gratification. Okay, so try to get it as even as you can on there, but it doesn't matter. Okay. And you don't know how much coverage you're going to get because you don't know how big of an apple you've got until you cut it up. So that'll work. And now it calls for 1/4 of a cup of cinnamon sugar. So I just put 1/4 of a cup of sugar and then just put the cinnamon in there, because I'm like, how do you measure out all this? So I'm just going to sprinkle that over. I'm not going to use all of this because I know it's already sweet enough. That's a lot of sugar. If you want to add it, you can, but I think that is perfect. And now I'm going to get the caramel sauce. I'm just using the caramel ice cream syrup. Now, if you want to get fancier about this and use like a salted caramel, and do you say caramel or caramel? I say different ways, just like pecan. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna drizzle it. It doesn't say how to drizzle it. I'm just gonna do this. See, look how good that looks. It's so easy. Okay, so after I put the caramel on, I'll put the oven at 375 degrees and cook it for about 22 to 25 minutes. This thing looks and smells amazing. I wish I'd put more apples on it because they shrank up a little bit, but this looks really good, and I didn't even put it in all the way to 22 minutes. So it's a little bit hard to get out of the pan, but oh my goodness, this just looks amazing. I cannot wait to try it. It looks like an apple pizza. I think like CC's Pizza had something like this, but this is just so caramelized, and oh my goodness. I can't wait to try it and let you guys know how it is. Again, it's not the most beautiful, but I bet it will be delicious just by the smell of it. Oh, y'all have got to make this. I couldn't make it attractive and get it out of the pan, but I'm in love. I'm just googly eyes for it. Oh my gosh. This is so good. You have to make this. And if you've got crescent rolls and apples, make this. Run out to the store and get the ingredients. It's that good. And I want to thank Falon again, not just for hosting, but for making me find these recipes that are so good. And I will be making these forever. That is amazing. And you could try it with peaches, different kinds of fruit. That thing is so good. So go make it ASAP. So I want to thank Falon again for hosting the Fall Food Friday. I can't wait to do one more. We only got one more. I'm sad about it, but I hope if you're coming from one of the channels in the collab that you'll join my YouTube family. I do mostly a lot of cooking around here and just little day-to-day things in life. And I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the Fall Food Friday. And I'll see you guys again, hopefully in the next video.